Azure Service Bus is the enterprise message broker which we provide with Azure. A message broker is used to enable communication between different systems using messaging, which provide an intent such as sending a command, handing over work, or starting a process. Within Azure Service Bus, we can distinguish two different types of entities, queues and topics. Today we are going to look into topics. Topics are very similar to queues in Azure Service Bus, except that on a topic you have one or multiple subscriptions. Producers only know about the topic, and they are going to send their messages to the topic the same as they would to a queue. Consumers, on the other hand, only know about their specific subscription. Basically, a subscription is a sub-queue, and the message can be placed in one or multiple of those subscriptions. To route messages to specific subscriptions, we use filters, which allow to specify which customers are interested in these messages. We also have actions, with which message properties can be updated, which can then in turn be used for the filters. You can have a catch-all filter, which will route messages that are coming to all subscriptions, or you can have a specific filter for specific subscriptions. In this case, we have two producers sending messages to the topic. Additionally, we have two subscriptions with two consumers per subscription. First of all, the producer is going to send a message to the topic. Once delivered on the topic, an acknowledgement is sent back, and then the topic is going to check which message headers are set on the message. We have two different filters on the subscriptions. One where the message header called type equals order, and another where type equals quote. As this message has a message header set to order, it is going to subscription 1. The message is now available in subscription 1 for the consumers that are receiving from this, using the competing consumers pattern. Now let's send in another message which is of type quote. This will follow the same process, where the producer sends it to the topic and receives an acknowledgement. The topic will apply its filter and is going to see that this message has to go to subscription 2. The consumers will receive the messages from their corresponding subscription, either using receive and delete or peak lock mode. Because we have different subscriptions, you can actually have different messages that go to different places. As our consumers process their messages, we can still have more messages coming in, which will be routed accordingly as well. In conclusion, with Azure Service Bus you can use topics when you want to distribute messages to multiple systems, where messages can go to one, multiple, or all different subscriptions. This allows to handle messages depending on their message properties, such as sending deliveries for an order to the warehouse that's geographically closest. Topics can be used to implement a variety of messaging patterns, such as publish subscribe, routing and filtering, and asynchronous request reply patterns. For more information about all the capabilities of Azure Service Bus, visit aka.ms/Azure Service Bus.